Hello, in this video I want to show you how to replace the battery in Razer Basilisk X Hyperspeed. So to do this you can see the cover on the back, the battery is hidden beneath it. So locate this gap right here, use your fingernail to open it like that. Now inside you can see the battery, because we already put one. So you can remove it like that, and if you want to add it again, use the plus on the top and minus on the bottom like that. Put it in the place. Make sure that it sits nicely. Now close the cover. And now let's try powering on. And the mouse is powered on. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.